Okay guys, so after some time when you do map and scale questions, you will tend to be used to it. There's a certain routine that all of us will need to do. So first, to identify what is the map representation and what is the actual representation. So in this case, the map, in this case, is the actual. Right, so on the map, if it's 5 cm, it represents 25 kilometer. Usually the test will require the answer to be in kilometers. Right, but first things first, when you see 5 units or 5 cm or 5 units whatsoever, always make it to 1 cm to make your life easy. So how does 5 become 1? It is because left hand side divide by 5. Why divide by 5? Because I divide by whatever it is here. Left side divide by 5, right side also divide by 5. Right side divide by 25 divide by 5. You press on the calculator, 25 divide by 5 will give you 5 kilometer. Alright, so here comes the next part. Sometimes they want you to convert centimeter square to kilometer square. So I'm going to show you how to convert this unit to become cm square. So next, I want to make it into an area, 1 cm square. Right? So how does this 1 cm become 1 cm square? It's because you square the number. So what I do is I actually square the number. If I square on the left hand side, I also need to square on the right hand side. Alright, if I press on the calculator 1 times 1 square, or 1 square, I'll get 1. If I press on the calculator 5 square, or 5 times 5, I'll get 25 kilometer square. Okay, it's a common mistake where buggers will always write 10 kilometer square. That's 5 times 2, but in this case, it's 5 square. 5 square means 5 times 5. Alright, so this is it. So 5 cm will give you 25 kilometer. 1 cm will give you 5 kilometer. So let's find out 5 cm square. How does 1 cm square become 5 cm square? U times 5 on the left hand side, right hand side, so I times 5. I press on the calculator, I'll get my answer, 125 kilometer square. Alright,